In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel an Audible membership on your mobile. Now, this is actually a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to cancel our Audible membership on our mobile device, we must first open up our web browser and head over to the Audible website. And from there, you just want to make sure you are logged into your account. When you are logged in, it should look something like this, but you may have already tried this and noticed that there isn't actually a cancel button in this part of the website. So how do we go about cancelling our Audible membership? You see, the way to do that is to first scroll to the bottom of the page, and then in the bottom right corner, we should be able to see this option that says full site. So when we click on that, it will actually take us to the full site, and this is the site that they will show you on your PC. So from here, you want to go to the top right corner, and you just want to look for your name. When you click on it, it will bring open this drop down, and we can click the option at the top, which is account details. So click on account details, and from there, we'll be taken to this page. And from here, we'll be able to see our membership, and it will tell us a lot of information about our membership, but just underneath it, there is actually a cancel membership button, and we can click on that to go ahead and cancel our membership. It will now give us two buttons that say keep membership or cancel membership, and we just want to click the orange one which says continue cancelling. We then have to tell them why we're cancelling, and we can click continue again. From there, they'll try to offer you some free credits, but I'm just going to decline and cancel anyway. And from there, the membership's cancelled and it will end at the end of the billing period. So that's how you can cancel your Audible membership on your mobile. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.